Hi there, today we're talking with Robert Ogar from Pro Street Performance in Western Australia. He's been restoring a beautiful hot rod here for a guy called Will Bailey here in Perth. And today he's just got a few little tips on what he's done here to create automatic window winders. They're Autoloc window winders and the switches, and I'll handball that over to Rob right now. Go for it.
Howdy. Okay, this is Autoloc stuff that we got from the Eastern States. And the power window switches, when you actually get these things, they have a huge plug in them that actually doesn't stay on there. And the biggest problem when you've got hot rods, you don't have a lot of depth in the doors. So I'm just putting out where the door trim will go to go from there and underneath the door handle. As you can see, the lift lights go bang straight in the window. Now that it's nowhere near deep enough between where the door trim goes and the window is. So what you've got to do, and also another bad thing about these plugs, they fall off very easily. They're not clipped on at all. They're terrible. So you got to do
ditch that.
Little, you got to do difficult sort of things. What you've actually got to do, you've got to put the wires on here, and I've used heat shrink on here. But the problem is you can't just get a piece of wire and bend it and solder it and then try and get the heat shrink on it. It won't work. So you've actually got to put the wire on straight and then get the heat shrinks already on the wire. Then after you solder it on, then bend it and then put your heat shrink slide over it. That works quite okay. But if you do it this way, as you can see, I've got heaps of room behind, so it won't hit the window. That's the whole idea of getting rid of the plug.
I can really stick my fingers behind there.
So you've got a heap of room, so nothing will foul. You've got a nice little plug on here. That'll be hidden away up in there. And the rest of the wiring will just come around here. It'll go up behind the lock mechanism, up to the back, and it'll plug straight into here. So when you do pull your door trim off, you just got to pull this out a little bit, disconnect it, and then pull your door trim completely off.
Really easy. Lovely.
If you want, I can show you how to join all the wires onto here. See how much time it actually takes, if you like.
Okay, maybe we can include that in our next video, and I'll just sign off for now.